Yeah, now recordings is started. So, how are you, ma'am?
Oh, yeah, I'm doing exceptionally well. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
Actually, I'm pretty well and everything is going on smoothly. And we are meeting very first time. So, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Monica, as you know that,
Yes.
and long time I am I have been waiting for you for your session, and last we are meeting today. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors with English and SSD. And extra qualifications, I have
Mhm.
qualified CTET examination with junior and senior both exams are qualified, and presently I am assistant teacher in KBS schools, and right now I am also a YouTuber. I am working on that platform also, and I hope it will it will carry the good subscribers, and that's all about me. Thanks for asking.
That's nice and glad to know about you that you have holding lots of degrees and simultaneously you are working toward it. That's nice. So may I know your channel name first of all?
Yeah, my channel name is Monica Gupta, and I started last in the month of October 2025, and
Okay.
actually I couldn't be able to update it every time, so it is not a good response, but gradually it will take a good response. Actually, this is
Mhm.
my first time I try to work on online platform. Before that, actually I worked as a offline only, teaching only. Since
Okay.
2014 up to 2017, I taught in a private school in my hometown, UP, and right now I
Okay.
am doing here in my laws. So that's why it is working slowly a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it happens. YouTube literally takes long time to
Long
flourish,
time.
right? We have to put our everything, our you can say lot time we have to spend there. Then only it shows something result over it. But
Yes, 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 yes.
sometimes for you are working, especially as you are working, so it's quite challenging for working, right? To
Yes,
be
yes, yes.
active over YouTube. Okay.
How long
So
have you
should I
been?
introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah. Of course. I love to
Yes.
listen you.
Yeah, sorry, I'm having little cough and cold. So maybe you feel little problem to listening me.
It's okay.
Okay, so as you already got to know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I basically hail from Assam but residing in UP. It's been 6 years I am here and I'm homemaker, mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest. If I talk about my qualification concern, I have done my master in education. Top of that, I was working as a computer teacher before marriage. Now I'm totally homemaker. And yes, working on my communication skill these days. That's pretty about myself so far.
Very nice. You are doing well and amazing. And now you have one kid, right?
I have ears.
Okay. I have also two kids. Both are sons, and they are very naughty. Literally, I
Okay.
would
How
say.
old are they?
Yeah, yeah. My elder son is 6 years old, and he's in UKG standard right now, and the
Okay.
younger one is 3 years old.
Ah, okay. Oh my goodness. How do you handle both young kids together?
Mhm. Yeah, actually, my mother-in-law is a very kind-hearted person, and she is
Okay.
very helpful nature. She has, so she helps me a lot. She assists me always. That's why
That's nice. You are the
I am
luckiest
working
enough.
nowadays. I am working in a school also,
True.
and and carrying a
That's why
YouTube
I'm
channel
quite
also.
surprised.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And I have a
Having
joint
a two
family.
kids.
Yes. Do you
Okay.
have a joint family or nuclear
No,
family?
no, we are here as a nuclear family. Actually, we live quite far from our native place, so we have to be nuclear.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay,
So
so
you are the luckiest enough that you got company from your in-laws. That is why you are able to hold all the
yes,
things.
yes,
Otherwise, it could be quite
definitely.
challenging, right?
It is more
Going to
challenge.
school And even maybe you would not able to think to do YouTubing,
Yes,
isn't it?
actually, this is very hard for me, especially my beginning days when I joined a school here. So this is I didn't know anything in my in-laws city. What is there? What is the what? How many schools are there which is are very reputed? Because I qualified CTET exam, so I wanted to job in KBS schools. You know, central government schools.
Yes.
These schools are related and very good
Mm-hmm.
pay skills they paid actually. So this is my dream actually, which has come true. Actually, yes.
Mm.
And I have been teaching for 2 years, and my experience
Okay.
is very good and amazing. And I'm still working,
Wow.
so there are a good atmosphere, and central government is related to, so it is also very not I am not a permanent teacher because only 2 years has passed out now. And
Mm.
I would say there is it is a compulsory for those school. If you do regularly, like 4 or 5 years, so after years you also you become a permanent teacher there after five
Okay,
years
is
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Okay,
it
that's
is a
nice.
policy of KBS.
Okay. That is nice then. You should not be, cracking any kind of examination for that to get a seat over KBC.
In KBS, actually, I
Okay,
passed,
KBS, sorry.
yeah, KBS
Mm.
in KBS schools and other private schools, management actually by the government instructions, it is compulsory and mandatory to pass CTET
Mm-hmm.
examination first. Then you try in
Okay.
KBS like private schools. It is compulsory for all the private teachers actually. Not the
Mm-hmm.
government sector. You also go to the government sector for KBS, and there is a the procedure is so long, so that's why I didn't able to preparing the government exams, because so many responsibilities are there, you know, Sushmita ma'am. Because I have
Yes,
two kids
obviously.
also, joint family also. I couldn't do a lot of burden on my
I
shoulders
understand. I
already. Yeah,
understand.
my
Still
plate
you
is
are
full, so
still you are trying and doing. It's really commendable. I really admire your courage. So
yeah.
don't your sons ask anything from you to mama do this, do that, make this, that? Don't they do?
Actually, literally, I would say they both are very naughty. And at this time, I am here in front of you because of their tutor is teaching them.
Okay.
That's why I am here. Yes, yes.
That's the thing, no? You are having quite quietly because two sons are might be, they must have to jump here and there. My son, he is not aware about that I'm having session, otherwise he would roaming here and there. He asks sometimes, Mama, water, sometimes, Mama, is this happening, Mama, I want to talk this auntie or
How old
uncle.
is your son or daughter? You have son?
He is son and he is 5 years old. He
Okay,
completed 5 now.
right.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, have you any
Okay.
topic, Sushmita?
Not yet. I haven't decided any topic. If you have, then we can go with that. Do you have any
Oh,
topic?
yes, I have a topic, and nowadays I am connecting with English Shari also for improving my communication skills. So whenever I got time, I book a session and take their classes. English Shari is a good
It's
platform for every people. I would say you also join. You should also join that platform. I have taken I think 4 or 5 sessions from English Yari, and
okay.
it is very amazing. They are instructor, good instructor as well, and they
Obviously.
rectify your mistakes, everything. It is a good command over the English
Obviously, it is
language.
helpful. Yeah, yeah, no doubt, no doubt. All are very qualified and expert tutors are there. So obviously having a word with them, we get some or the other insight, right? And they also correct us our mistake where we need to focus or
Sometimes
work.
I
There
got
are no
nervous
doubts.
when, yeah, it is my actually beginning time is there. So I got nervous in my first session and
Okay.
so many mistakes I made at that time. And gradually
Uh,
when confidence will be increases gradually. So I now I am very confident in English ARI tutors because it is
okay.
whenever you go anywhere for skilled excelled yourself in whatever the communication skills or anywhere you go, so you some type little bit hesitated to face
Hmm.
them, what are they, so
Sure.
but now I am
Okay.
comfortable with them. Yes.
Yes, yes. How months plan have you purchased or taken subscription from there?
Actually, their subscription in English Yari subscription are very not matlab, actually not affordable for everyone. I would say it is started
Sure.
from 3,000 like 4,000. Started amount is that starting amount is
No, no,
the
I guess I couldn't make you clear. I asked you how many months did you take subscription?
okay only
How
eight.
many seasons?
How many actually 8 sessions are there? 1 month subscription I
Okay,
take.
1 month subscription
Yeah, yeah.
there. Yeah, I guess you for 8 sessions also you have to pay 3,000 or 3,000
Yes,
something.
yes, yes. 3,000
Hmm.
I paid for 8
Okay.
sessions. Yes.
Yeah. Once I also had taken from English CRE, so 3,500 something I also had paid.
Hmm.
So similar things is
Okay.
going on.
How
Okay.
long have you been have you been started from English Shari sessions?
It was, I had taken, it's been quite long. Uh, I had taken almost, it's been 1.5 year back.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, only 8 sessions I had taken, not more
Hmm.
than that. Now I'm thinking to take subscription from English ARE because I'm feeling I need to have a guider who can guide me properly or rectify my mistakes and show the right direction where I need to work. So I'm
Right, right.
thinking to have a mentor for myself. Let's see
You
when
should have
I will take.
also joined that platform. It is very nice
Hmm.
and comfortable, but if I talk about regarding amount, it is too much.
Hmm.
Actually, they have a lot of prices, expanded prices they have for every subscription, and
Yes, I
yeah,
guess this is, they have provided very nice and renowned and
renowned. Yes.
expert tutors, right?
Mhm.
So I guess this is also their compulsion. They have to pay them too, right?
Which tutor
So,
do you like the most in English, Ari? Tell me.
so far Nandagopal sir is the top
Yeah,
notch, right?
he is very, very nice
uh,
personality, I would say. I
yes,
also
yes.
took a session like
Hmm.
yesterday. I took a session with the sir. So
Okay.
actually, his way of talking and to discussion everything, especially homemakers, too nice and too good.
Everyone is very nice, polite, and very respectfully they talk with each and everyone, no
Madhav
matter
sir is
which
also
level
very
you
nice.
are.
Yeah.
Yes, and
Did you know
I
Madhav
found
sir?
another sir. I watched him too, and Titus sir, I guess he's
Titus.
also very nice.
Gulshan
Yes,
sir. Everybody is amazing on that platform.
everyone is everyone is very nice, and they were one interview I have come across. Sorry, I'm having problem. So one interview, I had come across the only two-person get selected over English CRE as a tutor. If 100 people they give interview, then they only select two-person. So that is why all are very nice
You
and
tried for the
expert
interview.
tutors.
Okay,
No, no,
you
I haven't
tried
tried.
anyway.
I'm not that
Actually,
qualified
they
to try
offered
it.
me as a content creator because I mentioned in my
Okay.
channel content creator. So, like he offered me 2 or 3 days ago. There is a
Uh-huh.
mail I received from English Airy platform that
Okay.
if you would like to interest to content for us. So Of course, I I said them yes, I am available for the content, and from my side, you get good and meaningful, informative content every time. Because I also prepare my content for myself, for my audience, and my student also. So
Okay.
they replied me, we will let you know by the mail.
Okay.
So
So which kind content? As a tutor, or you have to provide some topic or something?
as a tutor, actually, I am a home tutor also. There are 5 or 6 students which
Mm.
I teach online, offline, sorry, offline. And
Okay.
my content, I actually I am used to writing. For many years ago, I used to writing because I am a academic teacher also. So I have to write.
Yes.
I have to make the lesson plans every day on my
True.
teacher diaries. So everything is
Mm.
going on very smoothly. Most of the people I saw that there is a writing skill is so poor. They didn't want to write
Mm.
anything, any a single page even. But
Mm.
my writing skill is good because I have been teaching since 4 or 5 years. So this is my
Okay.
habit. I am used to
Mm.
write everything on my lesson plan diary. So this is my habit. So I am very comfortable about writing or
Nice.
content,
Script writing.
yeah, regarding
Okay,
English
that's the
literature.
nice.
Yes, yes.
That is nice. Even I struggle writing. I don't know why I'm not enjoying. I enjoy reading, I enjoy speaking, I enjoy watching. But I have been trying to inculcate this habit of writing. So far I am unable to do it. So could you give me some idea and trick and tips how to inculcate the habit of writing
Okay.
and what to do and what to write?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I would like to say, whenever you go for the any YouTubers, you take classes or sessions. First of all, you should write down in your notebook what is the topic here to conversation with that person, and you should write down one topic regarding main points, 4 or 5 points you have to write first in your notebook. What is the initially starting the topic, what is the main
Okay.
points regarding, for example, today's topic I am going to discuss with you, surprised by surprises. So many surprises are there in our life now. So at what time at the first at which type of surprise you got from your family first time. So tell me something about that. So this is,
Okay.
yeah, so this is the topic.
Mm.
Gradually, you habitual used to write down 4 or 5 points in the beginning. You got some time. Yeah, what is this? I am not interested in writing skills. But gradually, you used to of this. So this is
Mm.
the
I
beginning
guess
start.
this is the thing I have started. Actually, I do. As being a YouTuber, this is small thing we have to do every single day, asking some questions and jotting down. It's okay. For that, I'm quite comfortable. But I want to write something new, at least 4 pages, 5 pages every single day. So this is the thing I'm trying to do. So I'm struggling for that.
Yes, I'm struggling too because actually at night time is my spare of time. 1 or 2 hours I have to taken out from my busy schedule because I have to plan
Mm.
my diary, school diary for what I have to teach in the next day in each class. Like
Mm.
na, so I have to submit that
Yes.
diary in my at my principal office. So this is very essential for me and very compulsory. How by hook or by crook I have to plan for next day. What is the plan, what I have to teach in the class. So
Yes.
when I didn't write down on my diary, my mind is blank, totally blank in the class.
Okay.
What should I have do and
Happens.
what should I teach, what should I teach? Oh, don't disturb me.
Oh, hello.
Just
Hello.
wait, just
Tati,
1 minute.
tati,
Na?
tati.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No problem. I'm also used to for that.
Hello,
Yes.
hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes. Uh, Actually, they are free right now. My both kids are free from their tuition, so
Okay.
he come back
Ah, this is the
the room.
obvious thing to come near to mother, right?
What are you doing, Mama? He
Uh-huh.
asked me, "What are you doing, Mama?" Okay,
Okay.
so Shushmita, I have some questions for you. Would you like to
Yeah, please.
share the questions?
Yeah, sure. Sure, sure,
Yeah, yeah.
please.
So my first question is that at what time you receive first surprise from your family? Tell me.
Okay, that's
What
the
is
very
the
topic.
share me your
Okay, for the
experience.
very first time in my life, or after marriage, or after becoming mother, is there any specific time duration that I have to share? Or entire my life where I got, when I got?
Better don't make a mess. Just wait, just wait.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Sure, no problem.
हेलो। हेलो। हेलो।